Alright guys, here it is, all done. Got it all cleaned up and restored and whatnot. Let's just start off by talking about some of the wires and things. So basically, on the back, you'll see that. Come on. Focus. Well, I'll get a better picture of that. But basically on the back you got your coax. And in the front you have a connector, and then you have your auxiliary speaker port right there. And off of this you have cord that goes over here, and then this would mount underneath your dash, so you just mount that up under the dash, kind of hidden out of the way somewhere, and all this would be back behind the dash. And your microphone, get it in here, just plugs right in there, so then you could store the microphone in the glove box or center console or wherever, and not have to worry about it getting stolen. Let's see, if you come back here, you got another box that'll mount back there, and then off of that we got our power. So you got a ground, and then two hots, an accessory, and a constant. So when you'd key it, it would turn on and obviously turn off. And then these over here, they got connectors here. Then this is where you would plug your splice into your stereo speakers, or these would go to your stereo speakers, I should say. Now, on this end, there's a matching unit. So on the one side, you have your CB coax, so that would go to the CB. It goes there. And then you have your radio, so that would go to your radio. And then this side here would be your antenna. Now I assume, because it's just a regular radio antenna port, I would assume they just probably use like a factory style antenna, and then you would use the pots here and you would match it, so your SWR and your radio, you know, however all that all works. So, but I don't have that hooked in right now, I just have that off to the side. This is off to the side. Like I say, this is where your speaker wires go. And then, but it does have an auxiliary, so you could put this in the house. You know, I could mount this up here underneath the desk if I want, you know, just mount it up under here, out of the way, and you could have all this hidden behind. You wouldn't even need to see it. Just have your microphone. So everything's on. So on top you got volume, squelch, channel selector here, and then the distance and local, that's like your RF gain. So basically it's just a RF gain switch. And then off, on, channel 9, switch, and that's it. So let's turn it on. I don't know if I had done it before. There's some action. I will say one thing, this thing does receive really, really well. It only puts out the regular, 4 watt standard, 4 watts or so, CB frequency amount there. So, but it does receive really, really well. But AM too, I don't know, and it's kind of shitty out, but. But yeah. There you go. Little channel 6 there. So yeah, as you can see, it sounds pretty darn good, and it does pick up very well. I would put this on the rank on AM as just as good as any of my other radios. It really does receive quite nicely. I could just see putting this thing in a car, putting a little Arm Italy behind it. Be a great little radio. We'll see if we can get somebody to give us a radio check here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see my meter up there. It's kind of bright. I think I can turn it off. What was his name? Hey, Alex, you got your ears on out there? Alex, you got your ears on?